Welcome to another astonishing opportunity from Bulgarian Property Finder. Nestled amidst the picturesque Bulgarian landscape, this enchanting property is a dream come true for those seeking a haven of natural beauty and investment potential. Situated on a fully regulated plot of land spanning 3,000 square meters, it's a canvas awaiting your vision. Whether you yearn for the perfect location to build your dream home or aspire to develop up to 5 residential houses for an investment project, this property promises exceptional opportunities for profit. Located in the charming village of Novo Selo, a mere 20 minutes from the illustrious city of Ruse, often hailed as the river capital of Bulgaria, this property offers more than just land, it offers a lifestyle. The captivating views and access to sprawling meadows are not just breathtaking, they beckon you to embrace the tranquility of open spaces, far from the city's bustling noise and industrial pollution. These meadows are an equestrian's delight, an idyllic setting for horse riding, and a haven for those who cherish leisurely walks in a pristine environment. For those with a penchant for angling, a nearby lake in the village of Nikolovo provides an excellent rowing and fishing opportunity. And if self-sustainability is your dream, the fertile land that accompanies this property is a vital asset. It's a canvas for cultivating crops, growing fruits, tending to vegetables, and even raising your own food, including chickens, a true homesteader's paradise. Practicality meets convenience with access to main water, electricity, and fast broadband cable internet. Within the village, you'll find all the essentials: food stores, welcoming bars, a medical office, a post office, reliable public transport, and a school for the bright minds of tomorrow. But what truly sets this property apart is its flexible payment plans. It's available for sale, either in cash or through pay monthly options, designed to tailor the purchase to your specific needs, making this opportunity even more accessible. The surrounding nature is a bountiful playground for open-air enthusiasts, offering ample opportunities for exploration and leisurely strolls. Don't let this remarkable chance pass you by, or contact us without delay. The allure of Bulgaria's pristine landscapes, the promise of investment, and the beckoning of your dream home await you here. We invite you to share your thoughts and inquiries in the comments section, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for updates on more breathtaking Bulgarian properties. Discover the essence of Bulgaria and an investment opportunity for 2024.